YouTube.
I need an arm and leg. I need an arm and leg. Cardi and leg. Arm and leg. Headed check.
Man, what's poppin'? We is back with another video. Yeah, well, back with another vlog. I'm finna be thrifting today, so we had a dog over there, twin. What? I don't even think if you throw harder, maybe, but he think he cool and shit. That nigga finna jump on me.
I'm still moving.
Damn, dog. I'm sorry, bro. You leave niggas splatter on the street, eh? We leave niggas splatter, man. Splat, man. I'm not like that, bro. I ain't gonna care. I'm not a street nigga. I ain't no damn. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the thrift store.
Maybe we can find some underwear.
Bro, I've been looking for some new thrifted Supreme underwear, bro. Cause Goop has been hogging the group underwear, bro. That shit made me mad. Y'all know when y'all homo be hogging the group underwear and shit, bro. Honestly, that should be making me mad. Can you go get Cash App? I'm about to go leak this nigga Cash App, man.
918-4237.
Got you, bro. We got new school van. Boohoo Man pants once again. Every fashion nigga goes to the stage. That's the environment. I'm on the phone with your ass. 35 racks, that's how my day was spent.
So man, what's up? I already said but today we're going to the thrift store. I already got to the thrift store. As you can see, wrong way, bitch. But nah, y'all, today we're gonna be jerking it in good.
Y'all check out their license plate.
Come on, you pause the camera now.
Y'all think he's fast or what? Hey, for all you unemployed niggas, bro, here y'all go. This is exactly where you need to be at. They got this, right? Look at this, bro. They got this for you. You'll be fired, but look at this shit.
Put the camera on me too. Yeah. I'm gonna go look at it. They always got the wrong side, bro. This shit low-key hard as hell, son. But look at this shit, bro. It's in the 30, so I don't wear it.
Somebody busted on it.
I do not wear a 30, son.
I got a 30 though.
And nobody asked me. Maybe because you use slacks. I do not wear slacks.
But you love slacks though.
I do not wear jeans though. Jeans might be cool. You never know.
Low key, nigga, high key.
What y'all think about these, bro? Y'all think I should got these?
They're $9.99 for a reason. What size is it?
This is very cool. I'm trying to do something with this size. I don't know. I'm just trying to have some fun here. I ain't gonna care. I haven't actually put it on, so here, bro. You working for me now?
Drops phone.
I'm never saying that shit again.
You did those, bro.
Look how low-key just flare these.
What size? They look like that don't look like your waist size.
I know. I'm not trying to find my waist. I'm trying to get something big.
Over your waist size though, bro. Those are so hard, man.
What the fuck are these, bro?
2012 ad jeans.
That's type of. I used to wear a whole bunch of color jeans. I don't like color jeans. These nice and tough. I don't like that. I was trying to find some jeans that I could just bust in, but shit.
What?
You know, regular pants and then pants you just bust in.
Bro, like the group pants.
What about if I like double waist? What if I do that? What if I do this? Grab both these, right? And I just work on them.
And wear both of them?
No, cut them. But like I can use this for the flare band.
I don't know. Them two blues, do they go together?
I'm numbers just for the flare band. It's gonna be on the side. What you think? 38. 17, 38. That song.
That song was big, bro. No cap. Every nigga in school was singing that shit.
Anything you like fit, excluding the waist size, how you think you should feel baggy?
It might feel a little bit bigger on you.
I really wear a size 53, but I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm taking too long. My bad if I'm taking too long, bro. I just
Pretty good, bro.
I think I might find something to do. What y'all think? I know they have a fitting room, but
Right, that shit bogus, bro. They need a fit on.
it's the rest of it.
Let's go try it out, bro. I'm just joking.
I wouldn't do that because I'm not a decent human being. This nigga right here, he is not a decent, kind human being like you.
Who's
I'm
name?
a 6 feminist. I'm a 6'4" feminist, and I'm a business I'm a road runner. I'm a risk taker. I'm a butt tech though.
Something's wrong with twin. What's that in your hands, bro?
Joe, can you get your real quick? And you close your eyes. Nigga caught it. You think I'm coming out successful?
Man, you just gotta wear these the best pants they got in here, bro. These are so hard. I said we go both Pinkffaygo on the.
Oh, you forgot to show y'all fit today. I think I forgot. I don't know. We go new school, man. We go Ice Cube T. I keep going Ice Cube T, but I personally don't care. this Loverboy hat. That's my everyday beanie. I might go with these.
Think you gotta fix the bottom of these, bro. Loosen up the bottom a little bit.
I'm gonna do that. That shit low key ass hell. Like with a haircut, something like this. Cut double waist.
Just cut the top off while we in here, bro.
Hold on. Ooh, you do this double waist.
You know how to do that?
Yeah.
How?
You know how to stitch? You gotta stitch all the time.
Let's cut the top off while we in here, bro.
You know this?
Yeah, bro. Cut the top off while we in here, bro. Grab the scissors, bro.
Hold on. Do a fit check, bro. You.
Oh, but I'm chilling. I just go fly and then everything's made.
Oh my camera, bitch.
No, I'm not saying.
You know what? Hey, hold my camera. This is too hard, bro. You hold my camera. Can you please TS hold my camera?
Y'all see, we got Pete to wash too, just to chill shit.
Size 30, see?
High shop, man.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not finna wear these shits.
Why not? Pepto Bismol body.
Where's the
We go TS.
Hold on, bro.
Ain't no way to it. Yeah, nah.
Oh my god, I think my
That was too small though, son. You gonna rip? You think Roman can fit that?
neck fit wise,
No, but you think he can fit it?
maybe. I'm not even
Cause that shit say broke. That shit say.
Oh,
Y'all let us know this shit say broke, cause that look like it say broke. Ain't no way.
my cameraman a little slow.
Cream soda built that.
My bad.
Wait, I think I just cooked this with the purple and black 13s. This with the purple and black 13s, red and orange jeans.
I just low-key found some cool shit, bro. I ain't gonna cap.
Yeah, bro.
So this is some cool shit.
Fuck it, we ballin'.
$2 for my name, I'm still a dude. Where is this shit? Put the camera on me. It's a beauty thing. Niggas want to be in the camera so bad. I swear. Oh my god, be on the first? Where is the first?
Your section is right over here, bro. I got everything for you right here.
The hell no, that nigga tweaking.
Bro, it's over here. You slow say men up there. Y'all see that tune? I can't read. Hello? Hit that little weak ass Camino show you be watching. Ain't that from that Aaron the Plumber show you be watching?
I just get 2 more of these. Oh, 2 more.
Why would I know that?
Maybe one.
Oh, I don't watch that shit.
What is this? I don't know if I'm ready.
Where you at?
Come on, follow me, y'all. I'm the leader.
Ain't you glad you off?
Bring them over here.
Clumsy ass nigga. But most definitely, try to see if you could do it over the phone, cause that'd be much easier. All that.
Well, we about to head out. Got a few cool items. Probably rework these pants though, I ain't gonna cap. So after 2 weeks of not recording anything, I'm finally gonna show y'all because it's literally been 2 weeks actually showing off these pants to y'all. But honestly, they look pretty good. I had finished reworking the pants and shit like that, so I think it's finally time to show them to y'all.